In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail profile picture. Your profile photo is the small image that shows up in the top right corner of Gmail and next to your name when you email people. So updating it is a great way to personalize your account and make your messages easy to recognize. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few tips along the way so you get a clean, professional result. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Look to the top right corner of the Gmail page. You'll see your current profile picture or a generic avatar. Click that image. A small panel will open with account details. In that panel, click the profile picture again to open the Change Photo screen. Here, you have two main choices. You can select from Google's illustrations, which are pre-made images, or you can use a photo from your computer. If you're uploading your own picture, you can drag and drop a file right onto the window, or click to browse your folders and select one. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. For the best results, choose a clear, high-resolution image, ideally with your face centered and good lighting. A square or roughly square image makes cropping easier. Once your image loads, you'll see tools to crop and rotate. Gmail displays profile photos in a circle, so use the cropping frame to center the subject and avoid cutting off important parts near the edges. If the photo is sideways, tap Rotate until it's upright. You can zoom in or out to fine-tune the framing. Take a moment here. This is what others will see in their inbox, so aim for a balanced composition with your face or key subject clearly visible. When you're happy with the preview, click Next. Then click Save as Profile Picture to confirm. The change usually updates right away in Gmail and across other Google services connected to your account. If you don't see it immediately, give it a minute and refresh the page. That's normal. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your image simple and uncluttered so it looks good even at small sizes. If you use a work or school account, your organization might limit changes, so the option could be restricted. And remember, this photo may be visible to people you email, so choose something you're comfortable sharing. That's it. Your Gmail profile picture is updated. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your fresh new look in your inbox.